Hi everyone, without further ado, I'm going to show you how to do dropshipping on eBay step by step. In this video, I'll first explain how to set up your accounts, then how to find the right products to sell, how to send your products to the customer after selling, and how to expand your business more successfully after shipping. If you're ready, let's get started. Step 1. I always advise my friends to do these transactions through the UK in a very detailed manner. I've explained the reason why friends who sell in America generally fail, because they can't advance their sales properly, and that there are very big sellers on the market. If you don't live in America, I particularly recommend that you specifically proceed through the UK. The first thing you need to do is go to the ebay.co.uk website. After you arrive, all you have to do is just register for your own account, friends. It's that simple. You come here to ebay.com, type your name, last name, email, and it's as simple as that. In the next process, after creating and confirming your account, you now have an account on eBay. It's that simple. Unlike Amazon, dealing with tons of procedures in the back, dealing with systems like Shopify, setting up a site, looking at internet things, we set it up in seconds, and it's very simple. Now the second step is to find the product that sells. So how do we find the product that sells, friends? And what are we going to sell here now? I will show you in the system. All you need to do is come to the software I've given you in the second step. As you can see here, I'm increasing my sales every day. I'm selling products at 90 points, 100 points, 250 points by just listing them as if they existed. When we get to this product from the beginning, I copy it, I paste it on the internet. You guys can find this product online at much cheaper prices. In this scenario, I'm not randomly opening up my own wholesaler. Here you can see this product is being sold at 139 points. The same product, as you can see here, I sold it at 253 points. Like this. I didn't buy it at 130 points yet. By the way, I bought it at 100 points. But what I'm trying to show you is that, friends, the profit margins are incredibly high and incredibly successful. Of course, if you do it correctly. Well, how will you do it? You come to the plugin I gave you. The first thing you have to do is to register for free. You can register from the links I gave below. The first 10 products are free. Then you come to the catalog section. After you come to the catalog section, there is a filter on the right. I give an example of the filter on the right. Not for beginners, but if you are just starting out, if you earn £10 per day sale, you can earn more or less 250 to 300 Turkish liras. That is, you can make money from a sale. All you have to do is click on the search product section, and after clicking, friends, look at what comes out here after you go to your eBay listings in each product. The remaining profit margins appear so that in this scenario, friends earn only 10 points per day from a product. In the scenario you just saw, I have just earned hundreds of pounds. When you write £10 here, let's write it properly again. Only 260 lira reach you. So how will you do it? Let's start with this. Let's say in the next phase we chose this product, and when we say product list, when we say publish, eBay automatically adds this product to our shop. It's that simple. If the product's price changes in the back end, if the product gets out of stock, the system does everything automatically. It seems you're out of stock, which means even if the product is sold, customers can't purchase it as there's no more stock in the back. Otherwise, when you display it, you run out of the product and you display as having it in stock. When you want to purchase more, you go back to your wholesaler, but there's no product left. What's happening in the back? Unfortunately, because of this friend's shops are closing. They then say there's no money in this business because they're unable to set up the systems correctly. Friends, they try to set up systems by following what everyone says on YouTube videos, and unfortunately, they're failing. It does not progress quickly, usually leading to accounts being closed. In the future, when you develop your business, you will aim to upload all at once instead of one by one. Look, there are hundreds of products here, but I could increase that to thousands. All you have to do is publish and launch 20 products in the right way within seconds. How will your products look thereafter? When you arrive here, click on the product section, friend, and you will see your live products in detail. Since it's usually loaded at your stage, the product will still appear in pending production, but soon after, your products will be listed as active products on eBay. There's nothing for you to do after that. Let's take a look at what I've done in this scenario. I have one product listed here. My friends, as you can see, you'll arrive at your active cyst here. When you come to the active section, let's say that in this scenario, I'm looking at this product. This product, my friends, is 1,700. When I come and list this on Amazon, not on eBay, and I look at it on Amazon, let's quickly see how much this product sells for. In the system, friends, this product is priced at £7 or £8. And how much do I sell this product for here on eBay? I sell it for £17.63. So friends, how can you do this? After the sale on Amazon is correctly completed, most friends will tell you, there are no products on Amazon, there are no sales, your products are no longer available. After changing your tracking numbers after the sale, you can deliver your products very easily. You can easily deliver your products. How can you do it? In the second step, friends, you go to the tracker face website. You can now remove the shipping locations of the products from wherever you want. And when we look at the cargo companies that have worked with you here, not only from one place on the back, but also with large wholesalers like Amazon, FedEx, UPS, USPS, Hermes, LaserShip, AliExpress, and cargo companies on the back. Sorry, all the cargo, retail, or online shops that we have worked with. You can see that we're translating from here, and it's not just limited to Amazon or any specific platform. I'll give an example of the origin location of the products, such as the location where you registered on eBay, the address of your company. You can enter your company address information on back or face, presenting your product as if it originated from there. Keep this strategy in mind as it will help prevent people from realizing you're drop shipping. How does the next process work? The next stage takes place on eBay. You browse the available items, whether that's in the morning or evening, spending perhaps 10 minutes a day. Simply go to the products you're interested in, regardless of what product it is, its category, or its supplier. It doesn't have to be Amazon. Let's say I want to work with ScrewFix. I select SecureFix, hit add search, and now only the products from SecureFix show up. The only thing left to do is to press the search button. As you can see, only products from ScrubWix are displaying, and I've used them. If I want to sell, all I have to do is select the products here, click here, and after it's sold, I send a product to the customer and change the shipping tracking number from here. This is how the shops work, friends. As you can see, how do people become so successful? When you look at the back, which we've shown, I keep your messages here every day. I'm always so happy to see your successes. Well, I constantly receive comments from you. I love reading them because seeing you succeed makes me as happy as it makes you. We've taught this to over 1 million people and they have succeeded. So not 1, not 2, not 5, not 10. We've been filming content on this subject for this channel for about 5 years now. There are more than 1,000 videos on our YouTube channel. You can also check it out on YouTube, watch it, and do it. Or if you don't have time and want to do this job correctly as soon as possible, you can also look at the special training we've given on the back. But of course, the choice is yours, friends. I try to help everyone as much as I can. 100,000 students enrolled in just 1 month. Friends, when you look at the back, it's constantly increasing and growing every day, and I read your positive comments here every day. I love reading them because we've found a special tactic for this job, and all you have to do is correctly follow the steps we've taught you. The system I'm trying to explain is very simple. There is a product here. You list these products as if you have it. When it's sold, you send a product to the customer with software, or usually change the tracking number, and enjoy the profit that comes after it. I hope this video was useful, friends. You can always reach out to me on my Instagram, Okeanos Akinilma's website, for your questions and opinions. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care of yourself for now. Be healthy.